What you need to do is to go to settings and look for lock screen. Hello. If you use Android device and want to make your life easier, you need to set these settings. It is called smart lock. So what smart lock does is that it kind of follows instruction that is set up and be able to activate easily depending on the setup that you have. Let me just go on and show you how in order not to waste time. So what you need to do is to go to settings and look for lock screen. That's lock screen. You click on it. Now look for smart lock. Smart lock is somewhere here. Now it's asking me for my PIN. This is the PIN you use to log into your device. I put in my PIN. Now, when you read this, you are going to understand more what this smart lock does. Let me go get it. Now you got three options. So what first option does is, if you set it up, once you touch your mobile phone or your Android device, it will be activated, which means that the lock screen of your device will be activated once you touch it. Let's say that you set it up to activate after, or rather to deactivate and lock your screen after 30 seconds. But if you set this up, even if it's locked, it's activated. Once you click on this or rather once your phone or your Android device detects your body, it's going to unlock it. Another thing that you might use is the trusted places. If you use this option, what it does is that you are going to pick some locations where, when you are there, your device's auto lock won't be activated, which means that when you are there, your device will always be active. And trusted devices also has different things that you do. So, but when you click on each of them, you are going to read what they do, as you can see. So just choose which one that fits your need. So that's how you can use smart lock on your Android device. I hope this has been helpful. Please, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share. Thank you.